Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the PhD admission notification for the Central University Punjab. It's a central university as you can check. So here more than 100 seats are available in 31 subjects. So in this video we are going to check all the details of this PhD admission notification. So before this, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding different PhD admissions, UG and PG admissions in different reputed universities in India and abroad. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notification. So let's begin the video. So here we are into the official website of the Central University Punjab. As you can check, there are different informations are available, but we need to check this link, that is submission, that is admission 2021 and 2022. So once you click on this, you will come to this page. So there are two things you need to check. So there is one admission advertisement and another is the prospectus. So let us see what is the advertisement. So once you click on this advertisement, you will come to this page. So here is the official admission notification. So there you can check the online applications are invited for the eligible candidates for the admission of PhD program in various departments for the year 2021-2022. So the details will be there in the prospectus. So let's go to the directly to the prospectus. So here is the prospectus. So it is only for the PhD admission process. So let's see what are the details are given. Let's see what are the topics under which the PhD admission is going on. So there you can check different topics like chemistry, bioinformatics, okay, theoretical and computational chemistry, computational physics, mathematics, statistics, physics, botany, zoology, biochemistry. So like that different topics are given, around 31 topics are given. You can check all the details. So there the different topics along with the number of seats. So each topic, like let's say English, there are one PhD seat, and for the Punjabi it is 4, like that. You can check the number of seats are available for the topic. Alright, so let's see what are the other important information available in this prospectus. So please watch this video till the end so that you will get all the detailed notification of this information. So let us see what are the eligibility, that is applicants must have master degree or relevant with 60% mark or 55% for the SC/ST or any reserved categories. Alright, so the candidates must have any UGC, CSIR or anything like this with an existing validity, must have some financial assistance such as UGC, CSIR, ICMR, DBT, JRF, financial assistance from government agencies like Rajiv Gandhi National Fellowship, that is RNJF, Maulana Azad National Fellowship, that is MANF, and the sponsored researchers are working on CUPB research projects, so they can also apply. Okay, so only those non-NED candidates who have some financial assistance fellowship from the government agencies shall apply for the PhD entrance test in the Central University. So there will be an entrance test. We'll discuss this in this video only. So the cutoff marks for the qualified test, entrance test will be 50% and 45% for the reserved categories. Right. So let us see what are the other things I mentioned. So there we have already discussed the cutoff marks regarding this. So how the evaluation of the performance will be for the UGC, CSIR candidates. The fixed weightage will be for JRF, it is 70 marks, and the interview will be 30 marks. So like the other institute or universities also, this university is also following the same procedure. Okay, so weightage you can check for the different categories. Alright, so let's say who are exempted. So let's say how to apply for this. So there will be a form. So this is the link where you need to apply. So if you are new to this process, then you need to have a register, that is new registration. Then once you click on the new registration and register completely, then you can come back and log in. Okay, so let us see what are the other details are given. So there are some test centers like Punjab, Village Kuda district, Bathinda. Candidates are advised to visit this website for the updated information, and there will be some registration fees. For the general category it is 800 rupees, and SC/ST it is 400 rupees, and PWD there is no registration fee. Okay, what will be the interview schedule? The detailed schedule of the interview shall be notified on the university website only. So all candidates are requested to visit the university website for the regular updates. And what will be the schedule registration? So the last date of admission registration will be 30/9/2021, and the orientation will be, you can check the date. So here what is the medium of instruction? That is English shall be the medium of instruction, study, examination and research of the university, except the languages. Alright, so that is the another important thing you need to check. So let's see what are the other details. So here is the fee structure for the PhD admission. So all total during the semester wise fee at the time of registration, at the time of admission, you need to pay 11,320 rupees for the humanities, and for the PhD in science it is 14,000, and from the beginning of the second semester you need to pay 4,860 rupees for the humanities, and for the science it is 7,540 rupees. Right. So another things you need to check, there is a hostel admission registration fee, and including hostel fee including maintenance it is 8,400 rupees. Hostel security it is 2,000 rupees refundable. Mess security it is refundable. So there you can check the details of the hostel charges are given. So there are some facilities given in the details, you can check. So I am skipping this part. Alright, so there are some important number you need to have a note. If in case if you have any queries, you can contact. So there is a number is given for the admission cell. You can directly call on this number and inquire if you have any queries, or you can mail the university, or else you can visit this website. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe our channel. The link is in the description, and also join our Telegram channel and other social media handles, so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding different PhD, UG and PG admissions in reputed universities in India and abroad. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in another video.